Thank you to our Hong Kong customer for purchasing our EA640F2 indoor LED screen. We are delighted to provide you with this high-quality display device and look forward to its important role in your project. EA640F2 LED display has won widespread acclaim for its outstanding visual effects and advanced design. This screen uses high brightness and high contrast LED modules to ensure excellent image and video effects under various lighting conditions. Whether used for commercial advertising display, conference presentations, or large-scale events, EA640F2 can provide delicate and clear display effects to attract the audience's attention. A notable feature is its front maintenance design, where LED modules, power supplies, and receiver cards can all be maintained and replaced from the front. This design greatly simplifies the installation and maintenance process, allowing users to easily maintain without dismantling the entire screen, greatly saving time and labor costs. The pre-maintenance design is particularly suitable for indoor fixed installation, providing great convenience and practicality. Thank you again for the trust and support of our EA640F2 LED display screen from our Hong Kong customers. We will continue to be committed to providing high-quality products and excellent services, and look forward to more opportunities for cooperation in the future.